Hey guys, welcome to day 26 of the XC Hacks 30-Day Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you a hack that's going to help you with increasing your inventory. Now, this is really great because if you currently sell a few items and you honestly can't add more products to your store, this is a great way to reach more people, amplify your traffic. Now, you could also use this hack to test out different tags. So it's almost a hack that you could use for both options. One, to increase your inventory, or two, to try different tags and see which ones you rank for. So all you need to do is, if you want to increase your inventory or use different tags, is select the item that you're working with or the product that you're working with. And what you could do is, once you click on the listing, right up here says copy. And now you could actually make a copy of that listing, which is again duplicating the listing. And what I recommend is making sure that anytime you duplicate a listing, that the tags are different on the new listing. You don't want to duplicate it and keep the same tags. The objective of duplicating is so you could reach more people by using different tags. So instead of using the same tags, you will use different tags, and therefore this will definitely help you increase your traffic, get more visibilities, and then test out different tags and see which ones are working, which ones are not working. If you get better performance with the new tags, you could always delete the old listing. Now keep in mind, this is allowed within your store. What is not allowed is creating multiple listings of the same in different stores. So just keep that in mind. I hope you enjoy this hack. Let me know, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching the videos.